Hi, I'm Lionel Reiki and I'm the manager of the Music Education Centre. And one of the questions that I get asked quite often is, what's the best lesson format for my child? At the Music Education Centre for the last 45 years, we've really focused on specialising for most students, having one-on-one specialist individual instruction that provides students an opportunity to have their lessons structured to their particular goals, as well as giving them really important other elements to the lesson, such as positive and personalised feedback and encouraging them for success. Now, group lessons serve a great purpose, especially with younger children. Learning with others can help motivate, can help create a competitive environment, and can allow for a lesson structure to include lots of different elements, perhaps more so than a one-on-one lesson. In recent years, online tuition has become a possibility as well. And many of us will remember back during the pandemic when so much of what we were doing was online. However, now online lessons still serve an important but different purpose. I find with my teaching that often students sometimes have to reschedule their lessons. They can't make it into our centre on a particular week, or they need a little bit of flexibility around their schedule. An online lesson is a great option to be able to continue with that continuity and at the same time be able to still provide that personalised instruction and feedback that enables those students to achieve success. Now, sometimes people think online lessons is just the same as watching a video on YouTube. And indeed, I'm sure many of you might have seen different organisations promoting their online learning courses. But those courses or webinars aren't really the same as a lesson. If you were to be watching videos of how pilots land aircraft at different airports around the world, that doesn't mean that you're learning how to fly a plane. And the same for a child learning a musical instrument. Just being shown what to do isn't the same as teaching a student how to play and make music. So whichever format of lessons you're looking for, I'd suggest that you may want to consider what's going to be the best outcome for your student's particular situation. I would suggest that you want to have students learning so that they're able to have that relationship being built between them and a teacher. The opportunity for them to be recognised as an individual. The opportunity for them to be able to have their skills acknowledged, their successes celebrated, and also those challenges specifically focused in and allowing your child to be set up for success. Regardless of whether you learn music with us in a one-to-one lesson, in one of our great group classes for younger children, or in an online lesson, the Music Education Centre teachers have experience over many years in changing those lessons to meet your particular learnings and outcomes. Whatever you do, make sure that you remember any music lesson is better than no music lesson. And music provides so many other advantages for personal development and to encourage children in particular to develop all important life skills like problem solving, like confidence, and like goal setting. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy your musical future and choose the Music Education Centre to help you with your goals.